Is your timeline built around hope or reality? A lot of first-time brands build their timelines around best-case scenarios. They assume that everything will work perfectly right, that samples will be done quickly, that materials will be shipped and arrive on time, that decisions are going to be easy to make, and that there's not going to be any hiccups along the way. But development, especially in your first season, is not going to work this way. There are a lot of decisions that you need to make, and you want to allow yourself the time to think them through properly. Fit decisions, construction decisions, fabric choices, price point, your supply chain. When the timeline is tight, you are now just reacting in order to move forward. And that's when mistakes happen. Strong timelines don't just create time to execute, they create time to think.